wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 8 best Bosu balls. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 8, the Titan Fitness Balance Trainer offers gym quality results to build core strength, endurance and flexibility while having fun. Plus you can add another dimension to your workout by attaching the included resistance straps directly to its base. It's 10 inches high when fully inflated and can support up to 350 pounds. However, it feels a bit cheaply made. At number 7, the Sprite balance pods come as a set of 6 in various bright colors that can be arranged with their flat sides up or down for varying levels of difficulty. They offer an affordable way to improve balance and coordination and are easy to store in small spaces. They're comfortable to use with bare feet and safe for all ages, but they tend to slide about on slick floors. Coming in at number 6 on our list. For just a bit more money than their standard models, the Balance Trainer and Ballast Combo Kit from Bosu is an undeniably great deal. It comes with 4 workout DVDs to help you take advantage of all the exercises possible when using these 2 tools in conjunction. It's made in the United States and improves core strength. However, the included pump is low quality. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Bosu balls, or simply click beneath this video. At number 5, the JFit Balance Pod sports a large 13-inch textured surface that's ideal for use in rehabilitation and massage therapy. It's a high-quality model at a great price, and is a good choice for beginners who are just starting out with balance training. It also has a flat surface for stability exercises and helps improve agility, but it doesn't include an air pump. Halfway up our list at number 4. What sets the 20-inch diameter Sagler Balance Premium apart from its competition is the quality of its resistance bands, which feature foam-padded handholds and metal carabiners for attachment to the base. The whole set weighs under 14 pounds for easy portability. It comes with a hand pump and concentric ridges that help improve grip. However, some units come without a valve plug. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Designed with both pain relief and strength building in mind, the Veve Wobble cushion has 2 textured sides for a safe grip. It's made of sturdy rubber, can support up to 440 pounds, and comes with a hand pump for easy inflation. It helps to strengthen weak ankles and can improve posture when used as a seat cushion. It offers an adjustable firmness. At number 2, from the company that started the trend, the Bosu Pro Balance Trainer helps to strengthen and coordinate several major muscle groups using a custom training method. Its small size and lightweight make it a versatile addition to any gym or home exercise regimen. It's latex-free and burst-resistant, and includes instructions in 3 languages and a workout DVD. And taking the top spot on our list, the Giantex Balance Trainer provides a lower and upper body workout for fitness enthusiasts and athletes of all ages. It boasts a sturdy hard plastic base, comes in a bright pink hue, and can be inflated easily to your desired resistance level with its included foot pump. It offers an ample 23-inch diameter and is good for seated or standing use. It's great value for the price. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Bosu balls, or simply click beneath this video.